How to use Google Docs offline. First of all, open the Google Docs app and make sure you are signed in with your Google account. You also need to have an internet connection during the setup process. Now, go to the main screen where all your documents are listed. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Then, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option called Make Recent Files Available Offline. Turn this option on to automatically save your recent documents for offline access. Next, if there's a specific document you want to use offline, go back to your file list, tap the three dots next to the document and select Make Available Offline. This will download the file to your device so you can open and edit it without internet. Once enabled, you can access and edit these documents even when you are not connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Any changes you make while offline will sync automatically the next time you go online. Keep in mind, offline mode only works for files you have marked as available offline or accessed recently. So be sure to prepare your files ahead of time if you plan to work without internet. And that's it. Now you know how to use Google Docs offline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.